Computer virus might sound simple by name, but the truth is it's one of the most complex attack tools in the cyber world. A virus is basically a self-replicating piece of code, meaning after entering the system, it copies itself and spreads into different sections. This behavior is inspired by biology, but its goal inside computers is something else. Control, destruction, or data theft. At the end of the video, we'll build a virus together. But why do we call it a virus? Because just like a human virus, it enters the host without permission, replicates itself, and affects the system's performance. The difference is that here the host is the operating system, software, the Windows registry, or even the hardware itself. Now, which parts of the system do viruses actually target? Here we enter the real world of attacks. 1. Attack on the boot sector. This is one of the most dangerous types. The boot sector is the first part of the hard drive that the system executes when powering on. A virus that sits here gains control even before Windows starts up. 2. Attack on memory RAM. Memory-resident viruses always stay active in the background. They can attach themselves to any program that runs. 3. Attack by file infectors. This type of virus attaches to executable files like exe. Every time the user opens the program, the virus replicates. 4. Attack on browsers and networks. New viruses ride on internet protocols. Example, MITB attacks. Man in the browser, a type of attack where the hacker is injected inside the browser and modifies your transactions. 5. Attack on firmware. One of the scariest types. Firmware is low-level software that has direct control over hardware. A virus that infects this layer won't be removed even after reinstalling Windows. So why do viruses still work? Because their goal isn't just destruction. Modern viruses are intelligent. They gather data, create access, spy on the system, and are even used in organizational attacks. If we want to build a virus, we have to design a system that does something against the user's commands. We import the two modules OS and subprocess. Using OS, we access a specific drive. Note that if your operation is elsewhere, you can enter different drives accordingly. Basically, I want to delete some of the victim's computer files. So first, I go to that path to identify the files. Make sure the path and file names are set correctly. I specified that the files are in JPG format, but you can choose any format you like. I know this virus might not be as powerful as the ones we talked about earlier, but the protocols don't allow us to go beyond this. Once the files are found, we use a loop to delete each one with the remove command, and finally, we use the print method to display the success of this action in the output, so we can confirm that it worked. Hope you enjoyed it.